Hi, in this video I will show you how to check for updates on your WAHOO Elemnt ACE cycling computer. First thing you need to do is to open settings by pressing this button on the left side and scroll to the leftmost screen called device settings. Now scroll down to the device info and open it. And now you need to use arrows on the right side to scroll down until you see check for updates and press this button to check. Now wait while your WAHOO is checking for the updates, and if any update will be available, it will be installed automatically. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.